Okay, a very big welcome to this episode on building stuff, I suppose. Anyway, today, on with the show. Today, I'll be helping you build a homemade torch. So, a torch is nothing but a light source encased in a holder. So basically, all we need is a light source here, over here. Okay, this is an LED, alright? And in order to power up the LED, we need a power source. And for that, this LED is going to be connected to a battery pack. So this is the light source, this is the power source, and we just need a holder or a encapsulation device to hold all this together so that we can create a torch light. And it can be any recycled object. Okay, you can use any recycled object. This is a good time to talk about your 3 R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. But in today's tutorial, I suppose, we are going to use 2 cardboards over here. Okay, we are going to make our very own torch. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go. So these are the parts that you would need. You would need the battery pack. You would need 2 cardboard that will be provided to you, and you'll need 6 AA batteries. Okay, so step 1, what we're going to do is that we are going to get the batteries into the battery pack. All right, so this is the negative and this is the positive terminal. So if you don't already know, the flat side, the negative, goes into the springy portion. And make sure you get all 6 in with the correct polarity. Okay, so polarity you will learn in your primary 6 science is very important. In order for the current to flow, the polarity of the batteries must be connected correctly. Cover it in. Once this is in, there is a on-off button over here. So I need you to check, turn it on, and make sure that the LED is working. Okay, so now our LED is working. Let's turn it off. 1, I don't want to blind myself. 2, let's conserve the charge. Now next, we are going to put 2 of these boards together. Now, at this point in time, you can glue it together, or you can actually use this opportunity to take a look at what you need recycled at home. It can be cardboard, it can be bottles, it can be basically anything that you can find in your house. It's really up to you to get creative here. So for me, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to place it here and reach over, and I'm going to use simple rubber bands. Okay, like I said, you can choose anything. You can glue it. In order to get this battery pack stuck on, you can hot glue it. You can use Velcro strips on it. Or if you are a cheapo like me and you just want to reuse your rubber band that you get from the Tapao Caipeng store, there you go. So I'm going to secure one end here, and I'm going to secure the other end over here. Okay, so battery pack done. Yeah, so next step, we need to secure this. Now, it's quite handy that this little LED strip, for your information, anyone here knows what LED stands for? In 3, 2, 1. Light emitting diode, okay? So there are 3 LEDs here in this strip. And like I said, it's quite useful. The manufacturer has provided a sticky backing. All you need to do is to remove this paper. Okay, tear it off. Now we need 2 in order to provide enough surface area for the strip to be pasted on here. So just paste it on. So this is a very crude but very effective homemade torch. Now I know I can feel it. The stickiness of the back of the LED strip isn't very good. So what you can do is you can put some super glue here, or never underestimate the usefulness of rubber bands. Or you can have just a very simple rubber band here. Now it may look very basic, it may look very cha-cha, right? But what we have here is a light source, a power source, and a holder for this. And once I turn it on, I've got myself a torch. Okay, so you can place this homemade torch by your bed. You can keep it as an emergency light source in case of blackouts and whatnot. But yeah, there we go. It's a homemade torch. Okay, I know it's childish, but bet you've always wanted to do this. And that's it. We have built our very own homemade torch. I hope you had fun. And yeah, so like I said, you can be very, very creative in how you want to build this torch, right? How you want to use different materials for construction, how you want to use different methods for gluing things together, making things stick. Really, it's up to you. So this is where you have the license to kind of get creative here and also find things to reuse in order to save our world. Okay, so hope you had fun building this torch, and good luck for everything else. See you guys.